Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Mimikyu. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. We'll start off at the top and we're going to draw the first ear. We'll start with the curve down and over. Now let's angle it in on both sides. Underneath on the right, let's draw an angle out and back in. And then on the left side, we're going to do the same thing, but bringing it down lower and back in. And then let's draw a curve down on both sides. Now inside the ear, let's draw a bent line up and curve it over. And that's it for the first ear. Now let's hop down and let's draw the shape of the head. Underneath on the left, let's angle it down. And then a curve for the top of the head underneath the right side. Now let's leave a gap and let's draw another curve down. Now for the bottom of the head, let's curve it in on both sides, leaving a gap in the center. Now let's hop up to the right and let's draw the other ear. Let's start with a line out and an angle up underneath. Now let's angle it back down and close it off with a slightly wavy line. Now we're going to hop inside and we're going to draw an angle down here and then a curve underneath. And that's it for the shape of the head. Now let's hop in and draw the face. Let's start inside on the top left and let's draw the first eye. Let's draw a curve up and then let's curve it back around and in. Now inside, let's draw some swirls all the way around. Now let's move over on the right, and for the other eye, let's start again with a curve up. And curve it back around and in. And the same thing, let's add some messy swirls inside. Now underneath the eyes, let's draw the mouth. Let's start underneath the center of the eyes and let's draw an angled V-shaped point. And then let's do the same thing on both sides. Now we're going to thicken up the mouth. From the ends, let's draw a small line down. And then follow the same zigzag line across. And then let's color the mouth in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start under the head on the right here and let's draw a small point out and back in. And then curve it over and down to the right side. Now let's hop back over to the left, and for this side of the body, we're just going to draw a curve down. Now underneath, let's draw a long point out and back in, and the same on the right side. Now underneath both sides, let's draw another point down and in. And one more in the center. Now let's hop underneath on the left and let's draw a point underneath and a smaller one next to it. Now let's hop over to the next section on the right and we're going to draw a point down, another one on the next section, and one more on the right. Now let's hop inside the body and we're going to draw 2 skinny ovals. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now let's hop over and draw the tail. Let's start on the right and let's draw 2 angles going up. And then let's angle them back in the other way. Now from the inside line, let's angle it back out. And then from the other line, we're going to bring it out and up. Now let's hop back in and we're going to draw an angle up and then a large curve going out. Now from the end, let's curve it down and bring it back in. Now inside the tail, let's add another curve down at the end. And then a line across inside and a shorter one underneath. And that's it for Mimikyu. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!